Hey everybody, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We've got an update for you. This rear cargo rack, spare tire rack, has been updated. Installation time has been cut dramatically. It does look a little bit different, but installation a breeze on this one. It's holding up that spare tire there with the gas struts. You do have that grab handle to be able to grab it up high and pull it down. Let's take a look at the mounts. Very different, as you can see on this updated version. If you guys have installed one of these yourself, you know they were kind of a pain to get everything lined up. Kevin back at Big Pine, he could do them pretty good, but he'd done so many of them, it wasn't too bad. But still, every time one got put out in his bay, he's like, oh man, one of those. But I've not installed one of these yet, but everybody's saying here at Kawasaki that the installation is a lot better. That spare is held down with that Y strap. I've not done any measurements or anything like that yet to see how it is affected. It actually looks like there's a lot more room here than on the older model. I'll see what I can find out that way. Stay tuned. 435-427-3338. Post up the part number to this new product in the description below.